Hi there, welcome to another video. I'm David and we're having a look at our Sussex Eurograde 1 size 3 key locking safe. This is us, London and Home County Safes, and we're on londonsafes.co.uk. Free delivery and free installation on this safe with us, and you can have a look and see what people are saying about us on Google and Trustpilot. There's links on our website to the safe. So the size 3, as the name suggests, is the third one up in a range of a total of 7 sizes. On the left we have the size 1, in the middle the size 2, although they are the digital versions, and then when we get to this size 3, this is the key locking. It's also available in digital, so all 7 sizes are available either with a key lock like this size 3 or with the digital keypad. I just happen to have the key locking version here to show you today. It's a Eurograde 1 safe, suitable for storing up to £10,000 in cash or up to £100,000 in your valuables. Let's have a look at the external dimensions. It's 410mm high by 415mm wide, and it has a depth of 425mm, weighs in 85 kilograms. I'm just going to open the safe up now. Keys supplied with the safe. So to open it, you simply turn the key. You've essentially unlocked it, but now you need to use this handle to turn to open the bolts. So that handle is actually moving those bolts. As I move the handle, it's moving the bolts, and we open the safe. As you can see, it comes with a repositionable shelf. It's got 4 positions there. I've got it in the, not the top, but the next one down. You can remove the shelf entirely if you wish. Internally, we've got a height of 334mm, a width of 355mm, and a depth of 305mm, and a storage capacity of 36 litres. Also has 30 minutes fire protection for your documents. So it's EN1143-1. That's your Euro grading, certified and tested. When you see a safe like this with this badge, that means it's indisputably approved for that rating by your insurance company. Some insurance companies will want you to go to a particular safe supplier. They really aren't in a position to ask you to do that. As long as the safe is approved for the rating and is certified like that, there's indisputable acceptance for that rating, 10,000 cash or 100,000 valuables. Throwing the bolts out now so you can see how strong this safe is. You've got this one large rectangular bolt on the top, another matching one on the bottom, and 3 on the sides. Super thick door, very, very strong, drill resistant, all the necessary requirements for the certification. This is to do with the sealing for the fire resistance that the safe has. In terms of installation, the safe will be bolted to the floor through this hole, if that's possible, or through the wall, through that hole at the back there, if that's possible, or both indeed, if that's possible. We always try to use both if we can. It really is down to your circumstances in your building whether we can or we can't. Let's have a quick look at storage capacity. I tend to use a tin of Coca-Cola because it's a sort of household object that most people are familiar with. Because it's hard to see how big something is in a video or in pictures, but if there's a relative object that they know, it can give a better indication of the size, I find anyway. Next we have a luxury watch box, which the safe, just swallows up. You'd get lots of those in there if you happen to be a watch person. A4 documents with ease, no problem whatsoever. I've got a couple of folders here, like a regular A4 and a foolscap folder. Now they're going to go in there, but I'm going to have to take the shelf out, but you can get them in there. They won't fit in the size 2. I've got a size 2 here and a size 1 on the left. There are other videos that deal with those, so let's just pop those in. And you can see, no problem at all. You'd get several folders in there. And we could shut the door, not a problem. I'll just show you the sort of relative difference between the sizes, between the size 3 that we're looking at, the size 2, which is this one, and then the smallest one, the size 1. Hopefully that's useful. So hopefully you're going to buy a safe from us and we're going to come and install it for you. So during the checkout process, if you are doing that, and thank you if you are, there's a number of accessories that you can purchase. So the first one is a automatic light, battery operated, 3 AAA cells, and it's got a little movement sensor, and that pops onto the underside of the top of the safe, and as you open the safe, the light comes on, illuminates the contents. Very useful for dark cupboards or wardrobes, things like that, so you can see what's going on in there. And then we have this, which is a flame retardant wallet, so you can put your A4 documents and bits and pieces in there for extra fire protection. We have a carpet base if you want a carpet in the bottom of your safe. As you see, they don't come with one. If you want one, then that's an optional extra. This is a pair of Faraday pouches for putting car keys in. Key cloning, theft of cars is very, very common now. You put your keys in here and the people with the dodgy equipment can't pick up the signal in the house to take your car away. And finally, we have this dehumidifier box, which you can put inside the safe. It's reusable. You can dry it out on a radiator, absorbs moisture, protects things from condensation, because you can get condensation form inside a big steel box like that. Also useful for keeping firearms dry as well, and these are all recommended accessories for your safe that are available at checkout. In summary, that's our Sussex Eurograde 1 size 3 keylocking safe, available from us at London and Home County Safes on londonsafes.co.uk, and it's free delivery and free certified installation on this safe, as it's a bolted safe, and we cover all of these areas: London, Bedfordshire, Berkshire, Buckinghamshire, Dorset, Essex, Hampshire, Hertfordshire, Gloucestershire, Kent, Middlesex, Oxfordshire, Surrey, East Sussex, West Sussex and Wiltshire. If you don't see where you live there, give us a call. You never know, if we're not too far from you on a given day, you know, then it's just another 20 miles or something like that, then we could potentially come to you as well. We do cover quite a wide area. It's about a 100-mile radius from our Hertfordshire headquarters. Thanks very much for watching, and see you soon.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.